I'm meteorologist Bobby J for this Tuesday. Going to be a lot like yesterday. A little bit of some haze, some sunshine, and a little bit of a breeze in the afternoon hours. Also just a tad hotter, just by a couple of degrees here in our area. We'll stay right around the seasonal average through the rest of this week. Not a big change from day to day here on out until we get into the weekend, where we start to get into some hotter temperatures. In fact, could see those triple digits returning in the forecast as we get into the start of next week. Some other changes is here late week. We'll see a potential chance of some isolated showers and storms developing east of the Cascades. Today, we're looking at upper 60s, lower 70s for the coastline, becoming mostly sunny, expecting some smoke and haze into the afternoon hours. West Valleys also will be dealing with a little bit of a haze and a little bit of a breeze in the afternoon hours from the northwest. We've got those high temperatures into the 90s. Upper 90s in parts of Northern California. Might even see Happy Camp topping at 101, 96 here in Medford. East of the Cascades, we got highs in the low 90s, a few upper 80s. Again, smoky, some haze continuing into the afternoon hours, and still slightly breezy in the afternoon as well, which continues through the rest of this week. Again, nothing too significant, but some of the wind speeds up to around 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusts as high as 20 here in the valley. And we stay dry, and I mentioned the hotter temperatures, triple digits possible by early as Sunday, might even continue into the start of next week. Morning temperatures in the low 60s. Klamath Falls area will see some isolated storms possible Thursday and Friday, and then drying out and starting to heat up as we head into next week with lower 90s, but today about 90 degrees as well. Morning lows in the upper 40s. Northern California looking at the upper 90s here today, but dropping down into some lower to mid 90s through the rest of this week, and can't rule out some isolated storms, especially into Modoc County and eastern Siskiyou County. Again, better placement for that looks to be on Friday before that drier air builds in. The coastline, looking at the mid and upper 60s through the rest of this week. We do see a warm up into this weekend with some lower 70s and a little bit stronger wind speeds this weekend too.